I just reviewed someone else's code for an Android project with Kotlin, and I found out that with their null safety with Kotlin, they weren't using it exactly in the way that was intended to. They were actually using the double bang in some places where they shouldn't be using double bang. Now, if you don't know what the double bang is, it's two exclamation marks behind the dots of the method call. It's essentially if this method or if this class is null, if you put the double bang, it will have a null pointer exception. And you can also do a safe call with the question mark and the dots. And if it's null, it will just return null. It won't give you null pointer exception. That's the whole thing of the null safety with Kotlin, is to do the safe call. If you put the double bang, you're essentially doing normal Java code, and you're giving it the ability to do null pointer exceptions. Now, I know that some people are a little weary about the null pointer exceptions, that there's some performance drawbacks. There are a little bit, but it is every inch worth it to do the safe calls with null safety. You should always use the question mark and dot, the safe call, whenever you can, mainly because to reduce the amount of null pointer exceptions, which happen a lot. And I mean a lot. You may not think that that's a lot, but you may create a app and 2 months later there'll be a null pointer exception and someone crashed the app and you just lost a person that liked that app because it crashed. They think it's not secure, they don't like it, and all because of a null pointer exception. Now with the double exclamation mark, the double bang, I know that there are times where there's so many question marks and everything, and you just take your Java code and you do convert to Kotlin, and it gives you those double bangs. Always convert every single one of them to a question mark, to the very basic level. If you don't want to do any refactoring or anything, at least change all those double bangs to question marks so you won't have any null pointer exceptions. You can do a lot more. You can refactor it, but this way you won't have to refactor it. All you have to do is put question marks, and this will reduce. This won't get rid of your null pointer exceptions 100%. Will this this will reduce your null pointer exceptions maybe 80% or 90%, maybe even more. This will help your app and anyone's app in any way. You should make your double bangs as little as possible.